Hello students, welcome to video class. Today we are going to learn some problems from exercise 4.3. Question number 3. The volume of a cube is 166.375 cubic centimeter. Determine the length of side of the cube. We are going to find the length of the cube. The length of side of the cube be L. Then volume of cube is equal to 166.375 cube centimeter. Length of cube we know that the length of cube be L. So volume of cube is equal to L to the power 3 is equal to 166.375 cubic centimeter. L to the power 3. 3 we can take into other side. Length is equal to cube root of 166.3375 cube centimeter. Since it is in decimal number we can convert into whole number. So we can multiply and divide by 1000. Cube root of 166.375 into 1000 divided by 1000. Split the cube root. You will get cube root of 166,375 divided by cube root of 1000. Now we are going to find factorization for both the numerator and denominator separately. 1,66,375 can be divided by 5. 3 5s are 15, remainder is 1. 3 5s are 15, remainder is 1, is starting. 2 5s are 10, remainder is 1, remainder is 3. 7 5s are 35, remainder is 2. 5 5s are 25. Again we can divide by 5. We will get 6 5s are 30, remainder is 2. 6 5s are 30, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25. We can divide this number by 5. We will get 1 5s are 5, 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15, 1 5s are 5. We can divide this number by 11. You will get 121. 121 we can divide by 11. 11 we can divide by 11. We get 1. Now we are going to factorize 1000. 1000 can be divided by 2. We get 500. 500 we can divide by 2. We will get 250. 250 we can divide by 5. We will get 125. 125 we can divide by 5. We will get 25. 25 we can divide by 5. We will get 5. 5 we can divide by 5. We will get 1. L is equal to cube root of 1,66,375 divided by cube root of 1000. Now we can write its factors. Cube root of 5 into 5 into 5 into 11 into 11 into 11 divided by cube root of 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. If you observe these factors, each factor appears in a group of 3. Taking one factor from each tablet, you get 5 into 11 divided by 2 into 5. 5 11s are 55 divided by 10. 55 divided by 10 will get 5.5. Therefore, length of cube is equal to 5.5 centimeter. Next question, question number 5. The volume of a sugar cube is 250.047 cube centimeter. Nagov wants to cover a sugar cube is red color all over. Find the area of the cube Nagov will have to color. Here, by using volume of sugar cube, first we are going to find the length of sugar cube. Volume of sugar cube is equal to 250.047 cube centimeter. By using volume of sugar cube, we are going to find its length of sugar cube. L to the power 3 is equal to 250.047 cube centimeter. So this 3 we should take into other side. L is equal to cube root of 250.047 cube centimeter. Since it is in decimal number we are going to convert into whole number. So both the numerator and denominator we are going to multiply by 1000. 250.047 into 1000 divided by 1000. You will get cube root of 2,50,047 divided by 1000. Split the cube root. Cube root of 2,50,047 by cube root of 1000. To find cube root, we need to find the prime factorization of this rational numbers first. 2,50,047 can be divided by 2. We will get 8, 3, 3, 4, 9. We can divide this number by 3. We will get 2, 7, 7, 8, 3. We can divide this number by 3. We will get 9, 2, 6, 1. We can divide this number by 3. We will get 3, 0, 8, 7. We can divide this number by 3. We will get 1, 0, 2, 9. We can divide this number by 3. We will get 3, 4, 3. We can divide this number by 7. We will get 49. 49 we can divide by 7. We will get 7. 7 we can divide by 7. We will get 1. Next we are going to factorize 1000. 1000 we can divide by 2, we will get 500. 500 we can divide by 2, we will get 250. 250 we can divide by 125. 125 we can divide by 5, we will get 25. 25 we can divide by 5 to get 5. 5 we can divide by 5 to get 1. Now we can write its factors. Cube root of 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 is 7 into 7 into 7 divided by cube root of 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. If we observe these factors, each factor appears in a group of 3. Taking one factor from each ruler, we will get 3 into 3 into 7 divided by 2 into 5 centimeter. 3 3s are 9, 9 7s are 63. Divided by 2 5s are 10. You can divide 63 by 10. If you divide, you get 6.3 centimeter. Therefore, length of sugar cube is 6.3 centimeter. By using its length, we are going to find area of the cube. Mega will have the color is equal to total surface area of sugar cube. Total surface area of sugar cube that is 6m square. 6 into length of sugar cube we know, that is 6.3 centimeter. 6 into expand it, 6.3 centimeter into 6.3 centimeter. 6 into 6 into 6.3 into 6.3 you will get 39.69 square centimeter. 6 into 39.69 square centimeter, 238.14 square centimeter. Therefore, area of cube mega will have to color is equal to 238.14 square centimeter. Next question, question number 6. Calculate the cost of making a metallic cube of copper with a size 12.4 centimeter if each cubic centimeter of copper costs 50 rupees. By using this data, first we are going to find volume of metallic copper. Let the size of metallic cube of copper be L. L is equal to 12.4 centimeter. We are going to find its volume. So volume of metallic cube is equal to L cube. L cube is equal to 12.4 centimeter cube. Expand it. It will be 12.4 centimeter into 12.4 centimeter into 12.4 centimeter. Multiply 12.4 centimeter into 12.4 centimeter into 12.4 centimeter is equal to 1906.624 cube centimeter. Therefore, the cost of making metallic cube of copper at 50 rupees per cube centimeter is equal to 1906.624 into 50 rupees. you multiply these values, that is 1906.624 into 50 rupees, we will get 95,331.2. Next question, question number 7. Anand has a cubical tank which he wants to fill with water. He found that he can fill the tank with 2,87,496 cubic centimeter of water. Find the length of edge of the cubical tank. So by using this data, first we can write volume of water in a cubical tank is equal to 2,87,496. Consider the length of edge of the cubical tank to be L. Then volume of water in a cubical tank will be L to the power 3 is equal to 2,87,496. This 3 we can take into other side, you get the length of edge of the cubical tank is equal to cube root of 2,87,496. To find cube root, we need to find the prime factorization first. 2,87,496 can be divided by 2. We'll get 143,748. We can divide this number by 2. We will get 71874. We can divide this number by 2. We will get 35937. We can divide this number by 3. We will get 11979. We can divide this number by 3. We will get 3993. We can divide this number by 3. We will get 1331. We can divide this number by 11. We will get 121. 121 we can divide by 11. We will get 11. 11 we can divide by 11. We will get 1. We can write its factor is cube root of 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 11 into 11 into 11. If you observe these factors, each factor appears in a group of 3. So taking one factor from each tender, you get 2 into 3 into 11. 2 3s are 6, 6 11s are 66. Therefore, the length of each edge of cubical tank is equal to 60